Ice is the most important ingredient in any cocktail. There was a super famous mixologist that once said, the best ingredient in any cocktail is the ice. Is it big? Is it small? Is it crushed? Is it hard? Is it round? You have to start with the right ice because that's going to make your drinking experience so much better. The cocktail that I decided to make is a play on a gin and tonic. I'm adding a lot of herbaceous things into it because I wanted to create what the postman would smell while he was walking up the front yard to deliver the mail right before he got bit by the dog. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of gin. This is the gin we're using today. It's beautiful, from Seville. Then I'm going to fill it to the top with ice. I love my drinks packed with ice. As you can see, it still looks beautiful in the glass, crystal clear. Now I'm going to top it with tonic. Always use a good tonic. I'm using cilantro blossoms, some squeezed lime. I'm going to add a slice of cucumber and a Mexican cucumber, which look like little tiny watermelons. And then to top it off, gets its little tiny envelope clipped on the side there. So that's Don't Bite the Postman, David Burke inspired, Chickologist made, maybe Chickologist drank too.